How to win sales and influence buying decisions via the inbox. Emails are one of the best ways to communicate with others. They are quicker than postal mail, more efficient, serve many purposes, and completely free to send. Did you know that emails can even be used for marketing? With a simple click of a mouse, an email can be used as a marketing tool. In the following video, you will learn how to use emails for that specific purpose. Be sure to put the logo of your product or business in the email. This way, customers will become familiar with the logo and associate it with your company. It is best if the logo is something that will catch the reader's eye and be easy for them to remember it. Offer a coupon to customers who sign up for your marketing email list. Put a form on your website where customers can sign up and set the form to email automatically new customers a coupon when they submit the form. This encourages customers to agree to allow you to send them marketing materials so that you won't be accused of sending out spam. If you intend to undertake an email marketing campaign, it is important that you have permission from those that you intend to email, and that means each and every person whose address you intend to utilize. If you don't, complaints that you are spamming people will increase, and that may cause you to lose customers. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. To get the most of your email marketing, invest in a program that personalizes your emails with every customer's given name instead of a generic greeting. Ensuring that every email starts with the recipient's name is key to encouraging your customers to see your newsletters as valuable information and not just more sales spam. In conclusion, emails are a great communication tool. There are many advantages to using emails, such as speed, efficiency, and cost. In addition to a communication tool, emails can be used as a marketing tool as well. All you have to do is remember the information from above and you can use emails for marketing. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.